Looking for a new addition to your kitchen supply and something to help you cook? Well, this pan is going to be perfect for you. It comes with this curved shape right here, so it's a bit of a deep pan, and it comes with a rubber around the handle so you can easily grab onto it without having to worry about burning yourself, and for peak comfort, as it's easy to grip and have in your hand however you need it. It's very easy to wash, and you can not only use it in your kitchen, but you can also use it outside on your grill. Whenever you're grilling burgers or want to make a healthy snack, you can set it down here, however is comfortable, and just go ahead and put as much as you need on it. The design makes it easy to move food around, to have it fried without it spraying onto you or causing any issues, and giving the best quality of your food for your kitchen and your cooking skills. You can give this as a present to somebody who's just moved, or in addition to their kitchen and likes to cook, or just for yourself and your home. So enjoy.